When you're finished putting together your video, it's time to edit. So, how do you edit? You watch the video and you're trying to think about making sure some slides aren't too long and some slides aren't too fast. So you should be able to read every slide that has words on it, and you also want to be able to hear everything that's being said in any video. So you do that by clicking play and paying attention. If you find that a video is a little bit too long, this video is 5 seconds, I think that we could make it a little bit shorter. Then you're going to hover over the video, click duration, and you can make it into maybe 4.5 seconds rather than 5 seconds. And there you go. That's how you edit the timing of each slide. Now, the last part is a fun little, you can add transitions into your slide. So to do that, you're going to click a slide and then you're going to click add transition. There is crossfade transition that looks kind of like this. Here comes the transition. And let's look at the other transition option. Cross blur.
My first fact about myself is...
And that's how you add transitions. Once you've added all your transitions in, you're going to start your video over from the beginning and you're going to watch it and make sure that you don't have any errors in your video.